Hello.
Downswing,
Level 2,
Charleston.
Val, Brian.
We did some review of last week's stuff, which is skip up, roll back.
With the swing and slide. Check last week's video for that.
The new thing for today was this little thing. Can we do basic on top?
Yeah. Rock, step, kick, double, kick. Rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, down. Boom. Hey, hey. We talked a lot about connection and how to hold your partner.
Yes.
And so they can feel what's going on here.
Yeah. We talked about how leaders, you want to hold on to the side of the follower and not like straight in the middle on the spine, because your elbow gets kind of like sticking out this way, and then the follower's elbow sticks out, and then you just lose all the connection here. But with this, elbows pointing down, nice and relaxed, all the way around, it's really easier to lead those leads.
Hey, boom, hey, hey. And that's what we did.